Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday, where Laura and I are going to scrap lift this layout from Scrappy Nerd UK. And Laura's the one that found this layout, I think. Either Laura did or myself did, I don't know. Or maybe she found both for me. At this point, who knows? We do rotate each other all the time, and we do push ourselves outside of our comfort zone all the time, and she really pushed me here because, y'all, it is a white on white on white on white layout. I think I only added just a tad bit of color on this one. Y'all, I cannot believe I did a full white layout. That is insanity. But that is the beauty of this collaboration that we do every second and fourth Sunday, or every something like that. I don't know what it is. 2 Sundays a month, right? Let's see here. Where are we at? It is going up. I'm doing this voiceover on a Saturday. This is going up on a Sunday. So I have now finished my week out. You may have heard me talk throughout the week, and you probably have heard, you'll probably hear it through a couple of my other voiceovers too throughout this week, because I've had that problem before. You know, like, I'll talk about things and I forget that I've talked about things. So, but we are done with our, I guess, quarantine week of all of the students. Obviously, I can't talk much about why we were in quarantine, but essentially, I figured it out. We got through it all. We went to school. We did it all. JP and I did what we've always done. We teamed it all. And here's the thing. I love my school. I love the public school system. Sometimes it drives me nuts, but that's just in general. If you talk to a teacher, you're not annoyed about some things, you're not teaching, because, yeah. However, we go from literally quarantining ourselves to let's have field day on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday right as we come back. That makes no sense, but welcome to the public school system. Here we go. So on Monday, our field day is on a Tuesday. So I think I'm going to have some voiceovers in between there that I'll get done, but I may not until come, towards the end of it. But yeah, we're going to have field day. So, so there you have it. We just, I just can't make this up. Like, when we talk about our classes and the things that we have to deal with, and if you're not a teacher or in the school district or in daycare or any of that stuff, I know that this is a little bit harder to figure out. However, I am telling you, I just can't make this up. This is just really, we're going to just come off of quarantine and then we get to go do field day. Again, I love my school. I love everything about my kids. I love my teachers. I love my staff. I actually do enjoy my district. Some days, when I think of this, it's kind of like throwing a bunch of bees in with honey, and let's see how much is going to be left over, because there ain't going to be nothing left. Or it's just going to produce double. It just all depends. I don't know. That was just the wrong analogy, but y'all got it. Y'all understand me. So, but I made it through. I did have to essentially quarantine myself from the exchange, so I did have 2 weeks off. And on Friday, the last Friday the Friday yesterday, because I did this on Saturday, so yesterday, you guys are going to see some new nails. After a whole year and a half of not walking into my favorite nail place, I actually got my nails done because I just needed some self-care. I forget about myself a lot. I do a lot for my family. I do a lot for my kids. I just do a lot. And I forget a lot about myself. And so I went, Kaylin and I went, we got pedis and manicures and pedicures, and I will have some new nails that'll be on my videos. I'm so excited. So be on the lookout for that as well. I am using the Close to My Heart, This Is Us collection, or We're In It Together, something like that. Anyway, I will link it all down below if it's still available. But if you guys have this collection, this is a new way to do this. Now, what I am doing here, I had to do some circles because that's what the layout's all about. The photograph is, I always spoil my kids. And it's funny because the same token, I've already talked about what Kaylin's teacher did. I went out and spoiled the bejeebies out of my kids, and each one of them got $5 from Miss Jean-Pierre and I. And this was our little treat from them, was to have a latte on us, because this was a heck of a lot for them last year. They did an amazing, fantastic 100% awesome job. They got all their work done. They did really, really well. They even knocked it out of the park with the projects that we gave them. It was awesome. And I just had to give them like a treat for being the fantastic set of kids that I have. They are still one of my favorite set of kids. I love the kids I have this year as well, but these guys, they were just something else, like just something more than anything can ever explain. I don't know how to explain it. They just were fantastic. And so I went out and I just spoiled the heck out of them. We all gave them $5 for a Starbucks. I literally got them a hot cocoa. I told the parents to make sure that they got hot cocoa and not coffee, but you know. So that's what this photo is about. And here I am. I'm just doing up all these circles. So I did cut along the edges, and I kind of got the white space going on. And then I placed these homes down because I thought it would be cute to have two homes, like from my home to their home on there. And I will journal about this. I just haven't done it yet. A lot of my quarantine photos, it's not that I don't want to journal on them. I just haven't had a real good opportunity to sit down and actually journal. So I'm just placing a bunch of these little hearts that I trimmed out, so that all these hearts are just kind of placed here and there. And then I come in with the liquid pearls from Close to My Heart, and I add the bursts of black that she added, but I added quite a bit of colors. If you don't know me, I do such a fan, I'm such a huge, big person on, I need a lot of splatters and a lot of mixed media on my layouts. So I'm just getting all these hearts on, and I do get them all on there, and then I come in with the liquid pearls and just dot the bejeebies out of this. Like, I just go to town. And I'll just link the page for the liquid pearls down when they come in and out of stock. I got what I could at the time that was available, and I'm just waiting for them all to come available so I have them. And who knows, by the time they all come available, August, the new catalog will start to come out for the core catalog. And the core catalog for Close to My Heart will have like all of the liquid pearls and mixed medium. Who knows? They'll probably change it all up on me again. But I'm just taking the colors that match this collection really well, and I'm just putting a bunch of dots everywhere. And I make them match up pretty well. I just add like splatters. They look like splatters. And I just come in with a bunch of colors, and I add a bunch of different stuff. Here's some rose gold. Make sure you go check out Laura. And obviously, I'll link Scrappy Nerd UK down in below with her Instagram, along with this product if I do have it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, a bunch of stuff, just tons of stuff on my channel. And you get a good chit chat as well. I hope y'all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.